treating.
Alright, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. I will translate it later on. की तकलीफ सी? He says he was given a wrong injection which caused paralysis on the right side. Now, ये treatment जो होने मिली है, उसके रिजल्ट में कुछ फर्क पड़ रहा है? फर्क पड़ रहा है. आप ऊँचा हो रहे हैं?
कितना फर्क लगता है?
टूर के भी. He's quite happy that after getting the treatment, he can now move his right hand. He has walked the length of this particular hall and he's feeling much better. Doctor, it is necessary that he must continue this particular therapy for a period of time so that the results are permanent.
You see, for the correct treatment, he should keep on doing it 4 times a day.
The same
Treatment with the machine. He will have to give his treatment like this. 2 minutes this side,
and 2 minutes.
2 minutes on the back. No, here. Okay, and 1 minute here on the brain side.
Right at the top.
Yeah, because this is the brain. Come with the brain. So 1 minute here, 2 minutes here, 2 minutes here. He can also give it to the heart because even the heart might have been affected to some extent. So 1 minute when he is giving here on the thumb,
he's looking after the heart.
It is also being taken care over there. And then what he has to do, here on this finger, one finger and the second finger, let him put methi, fenugreek. Fenugreek all over.
Okay. And cover it with the last.
With the tape. Okay. And he will feel. Now with just 2 minutes treatment, 4 minutes treatment, you saw how much change.
Correct.
When he came, he was not able to walk.
That's correct.
And with this treatment of 4-5 minutes, he has been able to walk, and how much happiness he is feeling himself. That can be seen from his face.
I will show you how to put the methi.
This is brain. Here. Never mind, this is what we are doing. Even your speech will become all right. You see, for that, what you have to... See, I am trying to take care of his throat.
See his eyes now? You didn't see it. Stand here on this side of it. The way he was trying to close his eyes. The way he was trying to close his eyes first the pain. Now the eyes are totally open.
And now you as a
give
son,
a good smile there.
Give a smile.
Give a smile to that television camera. That's it. That's it. Good.
As his son, you know how he was speaking earlier, and after this treatment, how is he speaking? You will have to give the message to the viewers. What is your opinion? Now you speak between father and son. Ask him some questions, or you talk to him.
कुछ देना है तो तुम्हारी टेलीविजन दिखा रहे हैं. You can speak in English, you can speak in
whatever language you like.
की फील कर रहे हो? उर्दू बोलो, थोड़ा बोल लो.
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
Problem in speech.
Let him speak. Speak as you can. जिस तरह बोलना होता है उसको बोलो. कुछ फर्क
कैसे लगता है? नहीं
उनकी फर्क पे है. मजदूरी है. बस सवेली च करते हो मजदूरी को दूरी तेरा. असी मजदूर लोग कह गए मजदूरी से ही.
नहीं कितना फर्क लगता तो आज ट्रीटमेंट तो बाद
फर्क लगता. से
आवाज कैसे हो गई है अभी?
आवाज भी थोड़ी बेटर है. थोड़ी बेटर. अखा खुल गया ना और की चाहिए. It's a fabulous result. All I can say is that I've seen him come in and the manner in which he walked and the manner in which he is now reacting after the short treatment. He's happy. See the way he's opening up his palms that he can now grip it up. That's it. That's the result. Thank you very much.
Kapoor, you are the past international director of the Lions Club International.
Yes.
What is your feeling about this type of a project?
I quite strongly believe that
You have
we are engaged in service. And technically we have been engaged with you for the last 2.5 days. This is service, and I can see the effect of service on the face of the patient who is feeling better. So I'm very happy, very excited, and we will do our best. All our best to continue with this service, at least in this part of the world, to help as many people as we possibly can, and I'm very excited about it. Thank you, Doctor.
In the last 2 days you have been here, you have found how many, so many patients.
Plenty, many.
And what type of diseases you saw that were being cleared. You saw that, well, a person, now paralytic patient. You saw the knee pains. They were getting better.
I even saw the children.
Children.
Children with the arms and legs not being able to move at all. And I hope they also would be in the success story as this same gentleman right in front of me is doing.
Yeah.
So all we need is results, and that's through service. And your assistance to the Lions of Tanzania is wonderful. Maybe thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm really happy that I'm really very happy that the Lions past international director, Lion Kapoor, is here with us. And he has been observing how Sujok therapy, a very simple, castless, drugless therapy, is affecting and giving such a good result to the humanity and beaming it all over the world, so that everyone should realize what is Sujok, how Sujok can help everyone. And thanks to the district governor of the Lions Club of Tanzania and Uganda, that he has invited us to hold these programs. And even we are thanking the Hindu community over here who have allowed us to have this program in the Hindu temple hall today and just for the last 3 days. And I'm sure everyone seeing this all over the world will thank all these people for enlightening them about the effects of physiotherapy, the wonderful therapy in the world. Thank you.